Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix DAZN buffering. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix DAZN buffering, what you can do is first head over and open up the App Store, then on the search bar simply type in DAZN and then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then select settings, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Then once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the DAZN app and then simply tap on it. And once you're inside, you'll be finding two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.